Hello my YouTube friends. Today I'm gonna do something that's long overdue. Not because I haven't thought about it, but mostly because I just wanna keep bringing you guys as much info that helps you as I possibly can. And so I've been putting this off. But today, it's time. So let's get to it. This is the part of the video where normally I would ask everyone to subscribe, but I'm not going to do that today because this video is for you, the folks who are already subscribed. Thank you very much. 30,000 subscribers. It's unbelievable. I want to take a moment and humbly thank each and every one of you that enjoy what I do enough to click that subscribe button. I know you don't have to, and I really do appreciate it. Somehow, we've managed 2 million views and an average of 200,000 views every single month on this channel. For reference, that's more monthly views than a lot of popular channels get that have more than 200,000 subscribers. It's unbelievable. And I did say we, and that's because there is no way this would be possible without a bunch of folks. First and foremost, the most amazing and dedicated audience. You guys truly humble me. Because of you, I get to live my dream. So thank you so much. This channel has some others that need to be included as well. The first would be Mark, my incredible editor. He's a huge part of the success, and I can't thank him enough. Then there's Michael T. Panetta, or Tech Examine as he's known on the YouTubes. I believe every single channel needs a Michael T. Panetta. And what I mean is a friend that's always gonna tell it like it is. When we met, he already had almost 50,000 subscribers, all built on the old YouTube. A lot different from what YouTube is like today. And we committed together to push each other and learn everything there is to know about the YouTube game. We've come a long way, and that I truly believe is because we can tell each other when we're full of crap and when something is just not good enough.
This is interesting. Yay! Here we go. Oh, it's still on standby. All right, now we're recording. All right, people. We're doing this. Okay, here it goes. This is the big drop. Oh no!
I don't remember the last day that I went where I didn't talk to him on the phone about our current projects. YouTube can be lonely, and if you don't have some sort of feedback loop to keep you on track and improving, it's really easy to just keep doing the same things over and over again, even when they don't work. There are others in my mastermind group like Jay Littman, The Fantastic Joe, and Organic Gardening in North Carolina. And that's their YouTube channels, of course. They provide me additional honest feedback and push me to get better all the time. These guys give their time and energy to ensure that what I release here continues to get better. This is a lot of fun. Got some capital shots in the background. We're doing a little bit of time lapse here. This church right behind me here. Wow. You know me, I love beautiful buildings like this. Beautiful ladies like that. We got the Fantastic Joe hanging out with me. What do you think of Harrisburg, honey?
It's beautiful. We're having a great time.
Wow, it's been a beautiful day. It's a little on the humid side. You can see the river is super high. If you do not know, that is the Fantastic Joe right there.
Hello gardening friend, it is April and time for our April garden tour. You're not going to believe how much is growing in the garden. So let me turn the camera around and let's get going. Okay, here we are at the lower end of the garden. Listen to all these birds. It's amazing how many birds you can hear. It's like we're in the middle of a forest or something. Let me see if I can zoom in up there. There's some blooms up there.
Woo! So we are checked in, our bags are packed. We're ready to rock into the park.
What's meat coffee? Is that for the ladies?
Thank you guys for your feedback and support. It's invaluable. My goal here is to create content that helps every person who wants to learn about live streaming master the skills and find the success they want. My hope is that I can help you live your dream too. For the rest of the year, the plan is to expand on the animated overlay series and the custom stinger series. I want this channel to be the place to go and learn the skills to create your own custom assets. I also want to start a series creating custom stream alerts. You're also going to begin to see more content about the business of live streaming as well. There's a lot I can teach you about how to grow your business and reach and increase sales through live streaming. I'm going to continue to make this channel the go-to place for information on OBS, Streamlabs OBS, Restream, StreamYard, and Melon. And there's another new player coming later this year that's gonna blow your mind. And you're gonna find out about that exclusively on this channel. And I can't wait to introduce it to you. Please know that your choice to watch, leave comments, and click those thumbs up is never taken for granted. I'm so grateful to have the opportunity to be a part of your live streaming journey, and I plan to continue helping you learn. So thank you so much. Here's where I ask you to help me make this channel better. What sort of live streaming content would you like to see here? I have a lot of requests for editing content as well. Is this something you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments. Here's a playlist of all the animated overlay tutorials I've done so far, most with totally free software. And of course, if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, and you've watched this to this point, thank you so much, and why not subscribe? My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.